Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting the priority of Telegram Stories notifications to medium. Are you looking for a balanced approach to receiving Stories updates in Telegram? By setting the priority to medium, you can strike a balance between being notified without overwhelming interruptions. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting the priority of Telegram Stories notifications to medium. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Priority. Step 4. Tap on the Priority option. You'll see a list of priority settings. Tap on Medium to set the priority of Telegram Stories notifications to medium. By following these simple steps, you can easily set the priority of Telegram Stories notifications to medium and strike a balance between being notified and avoiding overwhelming interruptions. Setting the priority to medium for Stories notifications is especially useful if you want to stay informed about the latest updates without being constantly bombarded by notifications. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a well-balanced Telegram experience.